I can't believe we're in a car.
What can you say?
I like Emirates. It is like the best airplane on earth. It has TV and you know there's like no
Console?
yeah, the console. They call it what they call this handset. They also give you free. They also like they can on the TV you can watch movies, but you can also play games. What's cool about that? You have so much to pick from. There are podcasts like that, all of them.
One or two? One.
You give your wallet out for like many days or for like one day. Pagbalik niya,
Kaya pag ikaw hindi mo dapat hahawakan yung hindi sa'yo, ha?
sa Pilipinas kahit sa nanay nga nila, kinukuha na niya yung lang wallet.
Andres! Tatay, magsi-CR yata yun. Ako din magsi-CR. Anak! Restroom break. Habibi, welcome to Dubai! Habibi!
Habibi, come to Dubai.
Okay, pupunta na kami sa aming carousel.
Guys,
I-claim ng luggage.
Pansy, did you know guys, in Dubai, Andre told me that
What?
you cannot shout or be loud. That's why it's so quiet in here. But in Philippines, they're like,
Ano tatay?
they're like, stores like, hurry. But here is quiet. Oh, 9/11. Ate, dun daw yung 9/11. Dun tayo 10/12. If you know what I mean, 9/11. If you know what I mean, bro.
Yes, why? Siyempre. Tapos iwawala na naman ng YouTube to. Pinagbubura ko pa naman yung sa cruise natin. I-recover mo yung tatay.
Guys. Trivia. What is this mean?
6, 7,
How about this?
10, 11.
No, it's 6-1. How about this? It's 41.
Dalawahin mo na. Luggage. Nakikita na namin isang na. Habang isang bata nakaupo lang dito. Psst. Andres.
Hello.
Yeah, that's ours.
Saan to?
Isa pa anak.
Isa pa. Okay guys, I'm the one who's videoing. Yeah, I'm riding on a coaster. We're going outside the airport.
Ayan na yata, nakahintay. Habibi, ayan na, bilis, Habibi. Ayan na, ganyan na sa'yo. Habibi, ayun na, may kumakaway sa'yo. sabi ko kay Andres, siya mag-video, tingnan mo, tumakbo. Ay. Oo, tagal nila hindi nakita. Ayun pala si Bruno taas. Halika na. Masa mo? Bye! Andres, Tito Andres! Ayun sila, ayun sila! Ah,
Bigay ka na.
Habibi, I miss you, Habibi! Habibi, welcome to Dubai! Halika, naglalala na tayo, may energy pa ako, bilis!
Pumunta naman si tita natin sa kapit niya.
To Dubai, broad.
Domino's Pizza.
Hey, Habibi, where's my keychain, Habibi?
Where's your kichi daw? Kichi. I don't know.
Habibi! Lala.
Ayoko
Sa alahas o ano?
ayoko naman.
Tito, 1,000 lang. Ang ganda na ng telepono mo.
This. Di ba sabi mo na
Ano na?
1,000 dirhams sa ang ganda na ng telepono. Gusto mo patik sa 700 eh. Saan? Anong telepono? Ah, Honor! Huawei!
Maganda yun. Wag lang Huawei. Walang
Oo, yung Google nga. Kaya
walang
order kami.
walang
Nag-order
Google
kami.
ano eh.
Maganda Honor?
Maganda Honor actually. Actually ang Honor, ano yan ng Huawei.
Yes.
Ang pinagkaiba lang nila si Huawei.
Who's this? Okay.
Walang Google.
Lahat kami naka-Honor.
Honor lang. Honor, magandang Honor. Ano yan eh? Ano rin ng Huawei? Gawa rin ng Huawei. Parang ibang ano
Sige
lang.
na. Mother, stop mo na yan.
Joseph ba?
Ate Kelvin, when ready, okay?
Go.
Wait.
No drinking muna.
Wala muna, Dre.
How can we get your reaction to
Three.
water?
No drinking muna.
You look at the camera ha.
For 5 seconds ha, 5 seconds.
2.
1, go.
You'll stop, maybe?
Ang bilis mo ko.
Namumulan na yung mata mo.